What? Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And this is our second.
Time opening cardio box.
So, another 4 or 8?
4.
Apat or total 4? Tagdalawahan lang. Dalawa lang. Dalawa lang, okay.
Tomorrow we're gonna open 4 and 4.
Ikaw.
Sa tote bag. Hindi yung sa tote bag. Kasi pag nag-pitch tayo.
Tote bag.
Wala. Ako na nga magalit. Ako na lang.
Okay. May 2 packs.
Yung
Andres
una
2 packs.
headband. Yung una headband. Tapos pinuyo yung tubig.
Okay. Dalawa, sa akin dalawa, kay Andre dalawa.
Me first.
Oh, you first. Pero kailangan natin ng ating mga sleeves.
Yung patali. Ito lang nakulungin sa kanya. Yan lang.
Nandito tayo sa Kamayak Coast.
We're still in the beach but at another place.
Maraming tubig kami dito.
Sino yan?
Si Mang Pei po. Si Mang Pei po. Oh, mag-pitch ka na pala. Punta ka
Bird.
dito.
Onyx. Fox.
Mag-pitch daw sila.
The Donut Surge.
Pakita mo to sa amin.
And Ninetales again.
Wash my hands so smooth to cards.
Okay. My second pack this day.
Puro oatmeal lang kinakain ko. Puro oatmeal.
Okay. Sans Chandru. For bunny. Item and... wala.
What? Why are we getting done?
Wala pa tayo nakukuha.
Dapat siya mo kunalpi. Yung ano yung karne natin, yung karne. Ay, wala kasi. Yung karne ko, yung karne yung kakalimutan ko ba? Okay.
Blue eye. Stone. Where you get your answer? College.
Kita.
Wait lang ah.
Girl.
Yan.
Wala.
Okay, last pack for this opening.
I want to open one more pack.
Mamaya na ulit.
Ano?
Okay. Ano?
Nakalimutan kay mami.
Eggs.
Execute. Fox. Onyx na naman.
Malayo natin. Yung natin. Malayo.
Executor and... Lieutenant Surge. Wala.
Could we open one more pack?
Sige. Isa pa. Tag-isa tayo. So, 6 packs total open. Wala pa tayo nakuha ulit.
Alputin mo yung damit mo yun, diba?
Alright. Sige. Imbes na 4, 6 packs tayo opening.
Balik, di ba sa?
All the way from Japan.
Baby ka pa nun.
Last pack ni Andre for this opening.
Balik ka pa dito siya.
Ayun ba dito? Sige lang kita. Ayun, magbubukas na ako. Ready? Kapit tayo.
Kuya, pink
Up,
pants.
1.
Halika.
Ball pa to.
Salju.
2. Next.
Yum.
Oh. Hey!
Uy, that's a gold one.
No, there's a full art. Hey!
And mine.
I won again.
Regular hollow.
I won again. Alright, that's it. Oh, di ka na.
I want to.
Siyempre, lagyan natin. Oh, wait lang, huwag muna wa. Pero kailangan natin lagyan ng ating perfect sleeves for protection ng ating mga cards.
Why do you keep winning this time?
Maybe because I bought it even though it's my gift for to you. Alright, siyempre double sleeve natin
Or we,
para protection.
or in the last one we got the
Alright,
all of the hits.
that's it for this time. Ako, again, I'm Michael.
And
And we just opened some
Pokemon.
Mega Brave Japanese set.
This looks like gold.
Mukha na full art na nga. Sige, bye-bye na.